Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of all new videos, and don't forget to like and share my video. Today's cue card is describe someone that is role model for young people. Points need to cover in this cue card are who he or she is, how you knew him or her, what he or she has done, and explain why he or she can be a role model for young people. Vocabulary which is used in this cue card is laureate. It means someone honored for great achievements. Assassination, murder. Adversity, hardship. Testament, evidence or proof. Resilience, flexibility. Tremendous, very great. Eminent, famous. Exemplary, that can be an example to other people. Advocacy, support. Let's start the cue card. Undoubtedly, positive role models can have a tremendous effect on the development of minors by aiding with building confidence, cultivating strong value sets, and realizing aspirations. I know various eminent personalities who inspire the people, especially youngsters. But today, I would like to talk about one person who is an exemplary role model for young people is Malala Yousafzai. I have learned about Malala Yousafzai through her activism and advocacy work for girls' education. Malala Yousafzai is a Pakistani activist for female education and the youngest Nobel Prize laureate. She gained international attention after surviving an assassination attempt by the Taliban for her advocacy for girls' right to education. Despite the dangers she faced, Malala continued to speak out and fight for the rights of children and young girls to receive an education. Malala Yousafzai can be a role model for young people because of her courage, determination, and belief in the power of education to change lives. She inspires young people to stand up for their beliefs even in the face of adversity and to use their voices to create positive change in the world. Malala's story is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the impact that one individual can have on shaping a better future for themselves and others.